Good morning, children. After solving the or balancing the redox reactions, today I will tell you what are the types of redox reaction. First one is combination reaction. At the name itself is explaining A plus B. Suppose करो दो reactant है and product is C. In this case, either A or B or both A and B must be in elemental form, and they combine and they form a product, and this is known as a redox reaction. All combustion reactions which make use of dioxygen are combination reaction. ठीक है, ऑक्सीजन के साथ कंबाइन करते हैं. लाइक इफ आई शो यू CH4 plus O2, what it will give? CO2 plus H2O. Correct? Now we will balance this. So CH4, methane is a gas, oxygen is a gas, CO2 is a gas, and hydrogen is a H2O is a liquid. Okay. When we are writing this, we see that CH4 यानी कार्बन की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट अगर फाइंड करो तो कितनी हो जाएगी? प्लस x प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो x इज इक्वल टू -4. हियर CO2 x फिर से करोगे x -4 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो x इज इक्वल टू +4. सो यू सी from -4 it is +4. So oxidation is there. Similarly ऑक्सीजन का अगर फाइंड करें तो यहाँ एलिमेंटल स्टेट में तो इट इज़ 0 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, एंड हियर इफ यू विल फाइंड तो इट विल बी 2 + x इज इक्वल टू 0 x इज इक्वल टू -2. So oxidation state is -2. So reduction is there. Okay. Now if you want you can balance the reaction. H4 है तो यहाँ 2H2O कर दो, and 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen, so 2O2. Correct? So in this way we say that -4, 2 + 4. Carbon. Oxygen 0 to -2. So oxidation and here reduction. That means, and one is in elemental form. Either A or B or both should be in elemental form, and when they react, best examples are reaction with dioxygen. Okay. So here this is a type of redox reaction. If I write here Mg is solid, N2 nitrogen is gas, it will form magnesium nitride. Mg N की नाइट्राइड में N की वैलेंसी 3, so Mg3, and magnesium की 2, so Mg3N2. and let us balance. So Mg3 यानी 3Mg, then N2 तो N2 ही है, so Mg3 N2, it is balanced reaction. Now this is again solid. Now we will find the oxidation state. So magnesium 0, elemental state में what is the oxidation state? 0. Here we don't know, so let us find out its oxidation state. It is plus. अगर एक का किसी का मालूम होना चाहिए तो सपोज करो मैग्नीशियम का 2, मैग्नीशियम का +2 एंड नाइट्राइड का -3. ओके. कैसे पता चला? बिकॉज नाइट्राइड में वैलेंसी ऑफ नाइट्राइड इज -3 एंड मैग्नीशियम का +2. इट इज़ नोन. सो 0 to +2, व्हाट इज इट? ऑक्सीडेशन. नाइट्रोजन अगेन एलिमेंटल फॉर्म में, सो 0 to -3. दैट मीन्स हियर ऑक्सीडेशन and here reduction. So this is a redox reaction in which both the reactants are in elemental form and they combine to form a product in which, so this is the type of redox reaction, combination redox reaction. Third type of redox reaction, combination redox reaction, if I write here. So this is example number 1, example number 2 and example number 3 if I write. So ethane ले लो इस बार. Okay. तो C2H6 ethane gas plus O2. Oxygen is also a gas. It will form CO2 gas plus H2O liquid. Correct? This is the oxidation reaction in which oxygen is in elemental form. So balance कर लो to C2. So if I write here 2CO2, then H6. So 3H2O 6. So 3 oxygen and 7 oxygens should be there. So it is not a balanced reaction. सो लेट अस बैलेंस. तो अगर C2 यहाँ 2C करते हैं तो कार्बन तो बैलेंस हो जाएगा, बट हाइड्रोजन विल बी 12. ओके, तो हाइड्रोजन 12 है. 2C2S6 2CO2. No, it is not going to be balanced. Then what we will do, if I write here, suppose करो 2, let us try, अभी बैलेंस नहीं हुआ है तो 4 कार्बन. सो लेट मी राइट हियर 4 कार्बन, 12, 6 2 जा 12 hydrogen. So here if I write here 6 2 ja 12 hydrogen. So what about oxygen? 4 2 ja 8, 8 and 6 14 oxygen. So I have to write here 7 O2. So I think now it is balanced. So in this way you can balance the reaction, and after balancing what I find, I have to find the oxidation state of C2 carbon here and carbon here. So here oxidation state of carbon is 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Sorry, 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 3. So let it be minus 3, and here again x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. So CO2 में जैसे पिछले रिएक्शन में 4 आया था, इसमें भी 4 ही आएगा ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कार्बन का. सो कार्बन -3 2 plus 4 oxidation state changed, and then oxygen here 0 elemental state, it is 0, and 0 से H2O में तो इसकी -2 होती है. So oxygen is 0 to -2. So in this way we find that here oxidation and here reduction. So this is a combination type of redox reaction. In this way you can make out. और सिर्फ ध्यान क्या रखना है कि either both or any one of them should be in elemental state. Correct? Then second type of reaction will come, that is known as decomposition reaction. Decomposition यानी to break down. Okay, so in decomposition reaction it is just opposite of combination reaction. Combination with the two elements combine, or one element and one compound combine, and they form the product. Here decomposition reaction leads to breakdown of a compound into two or more components, in which at least one of them must be in elemental state. Like one compound breaks into two products, two or more कर दो, two or more products. ठीक, in which at least one is in elemental state. Clear? So what we will do here, let us take the example. First example, H2O. So H2O, when after the electrolysis, it will be broken down into H2 plus O2. So 2H2O, 2 ja 4, 2H2 plus O2. Correct? This is liquid, this is gas, and this is also gas. So here what we find, H2O में hydrogen +1 to 0, oxygen -2 to 0. So hydrogen +1 to 0, oxygen -2 to 0. That means here -2 से 0 यानी oxidation, and here +1 से 0 यानी reduction. Therefore it is a type of redox reaction. In this particular redox reaction, both are in elemental form. Like a KClO3, potassium chlorate. Okay, KClO3. It will be broken down into, this is solid, it will be broken down into KCl, it is again solid, plus O2. So when you will balance, it is 2KClO3 is equal to 2KCl plus 3O2. 2K, 2K, 2Cl, 2Cl, 6 oxygen. Okay, so this is a balanced reaction. Now in this, if you find one is in elemental form, one a compulsion है, one should be in elemental form. Then we will find the oxidation state. Suppose chlorine का मुझे find करना है, तो what I will do, 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5. यानी क्लोरीन इज 5, पोटेशियम इज 1, ऑक्सीजन तो -2 होता ही है, राइट. इधर x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. This is 1 plus 1 and this is minus 1. Elemental form, so 0. So what we find here, potassium 1 2 1. Okay, then Cl 5 plus 5 2 minus 1, oxygen -2 2 0, -2 से 0 यानी ऑक्सीडेशन, +5 से -1 यानी रिडक्शन. Therefore it is a redox type of redox reaction. In this way we can find out, and this is a decomposition, okay, in which one of them should be in elemental form. Third type of redox reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, metal displacement, non-metal displacement, in non-metal again halogen displacement, everything we will read. Okay, so in displacement reaction what happens, an ion or an atom in a compound is replaced or displaced by an ion or an atom of another element, like x plus yz. Okay, so any one of them will be displaced. So xy xz plus y. Okay, displacement reaction fits into two categories, metal displacement and non displacement. You see yz में से y को डिस्प्लेस किसने कर दिया, सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिया ना, y को हटा दिया और x यहाँ आ गया. सो दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. इसमें मेटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, मेटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. So in this, a metal in a compound can be displaced by another metal in uncombined state. One metal of a compound can displace another metal, या can be displaced, compound का displace करना है ना, so can be displaced by another metal which is in uncombined state. You understood this? एक कंपाउंड में से एक मेटल can be displaced by another metal which is in uncombined state. Like if I write the example, CuSO4 copper sulfate aqueous plus zinc, क्योंकि aqueous solution में ये ऐसा होगा, zinc will be. So now in this way which metal is there? This is the metal. So this metal will be displaced by another metal. Okay, so zinc will displace copper, so it will form zinc sulfate plus copper. Copper is solid again. So here what we see, copper solid and zinc sulfate, it is aqueous. This is a type of redox reaction. In this way, where are the utility? What is the utility? Metal displacement reactions find many applications in metallurgical process, जिसमें कि pure metal को obtain करते हैं. If you find the oxidation state, here तो copper is 0, you know. Here if you find, so it is +2 +6 and -2. Copper +2 +6 and -2. तुम खुद से भी आपको सबको मालूम है कैसे फाइंड करना है. Here zinc is 0 and here zinc is +2, sulfate again 6 and oxygen again -2. So copper -2, sorry, +2 to 0, +2 to 0 and zinc 0 to +2. So 0 से +2 यानी ऑक्सीडेशन and +2 से 0 यानी रिडक्शन. So this is a type of redox reaction which is known as metal displacement, in which metal of a compound is displaced by another metal which is in uncombined state. Okay. Second example is given in the book, that is vanadium pentoxide. What is vanadium pentoxide? V2O5. Solid plus calcium. Calcium is also in solid state. Will give us vanadium plus CaO. When you will balance, it will be 2V, then oxygen 5, so 5 CaO we have to write here, 5 calcium, so 5 calcium. Okay, so V2O5 plus 5 Ca is equal to 2V plus 5 CaO. Now V2 vanadium का अगर तुम्हें फाइंड करना है तो 2x minus 10 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 10/2, meaning 5 plus 5 and here 0. Calcium here 0 and here plus 2. Okay, so vanadium if I write, so vanadium is equal to plus 5 से 0 हो गया. And दूसरा oxygen is here sorry calcium ना, oxygen नहीं, calcium is 0 to 0 से plus 2, so this is oxidation and this is plus 5 to 0 यानी reduction. So in this way, in a compound, one metal is displaced by another metal, right? So this is the type of redox reaction of metal displacement type. Important thing is there here, you have to note down that important, you have to keep in mind that the reducing metal, जो metal reduce कर रहा है, the reducing metal is a better reducing agent. When we will compare both of them, it will have a better reducing agent with किससे? From the one which is being reduced, from the metal which is being reduced. Okay, so for today it is enough. Tomorrow I will tell you non-metal displacement. Okay, thank you.